Daily use English word meaning. Forget means birsanu, and dust means dhulo. Earn means kamaunu. Ease means kinara. Fair means nispachya. Feel means mahsus, and gram means samannu. Then lost means haraunu. Look means hernu. Another one, near means najik. Next one, neat means safa, and neck means ghati. Other, huge means vishal, and then do means garnu, and want means sahanu, and dry means sukha, and then try means prayas. Next one, egg means anda. Now means aile. Later means पछि, and we means हामी. Next one, our means हाम्रो. थ्याङ्क यू। यस्तै भिडियोको लागि सब्सक्राइब गरिदिनु होला। धन्यवाद।